This is Earth, the only planet in the universe that has life. For now. But we have found a few planets outside the solar system that may have life, but first cut to the intro. Planet 1. Kepler 452b. 452b is the only planet orbiting the star Kepler 452, which is a yellow dwarf, the same type of star as our own Sun. Kepler 452b is in the habitable zone of the yellow dwarf and could have water and land. Kepler 452b is also 1.5 Earths in radius, but the downside to Kepler 452b is that, 1, it is over 5 times the mass of Earth, so basically everything would weigh 5 times as heavy, so basically if you for some reason had a cube made out of tungsten, which would already be unliftable to a lot of people, the cube would weigh 5 times as more, so good luck trying to move it. 2. This planet is over 1,000 light-years away, so would take a lot to get there. 3. The star of the planet is actually older than our Sun, so it would probably be dead by the time we get there. Planet 2. Kepler 186f. 186f is a rocky planet orbiting the star Kepler 186, which is a red dwarf. Red dwarfs are usually around half the size of the Sun or around the size of Jupiter, but some are even smaller and are way less hot than the Sun. This is what Kepler 186 f is orbiting around, and unlike 452b, this exoplanet is 500 light-years away, and since red dwarfs take tens of billions of years to die, we could probably get there. But back to the planet. It is in the habitable zone and around the same mass and size of the Earth, and also may have a similar climate and seasons to Earth, so very habitable, and has red plants, so that is cool, I guess. Planet 3. Koi 4878.01. 4878 is another planet that orbits a yellow dwarf star and is around 1,000 light-years away and has a very similar radius to the Earth, but the mass is still unknown, but most likely at 1 Earth mass or just a bit lower. The year on the planet is 449 days, around a few dozen more days than an Earth year. Planet 4. Kepler 442b. This is a planet around 1,000 light-years away. The planet orbits an orange dwarf. Basically, an orange dwarf is a star that is in between a large red dwarf and a yellow dwarf like our Sun, and this planet Kepler 442b orbits an orange dwarf and is a super habitable planet, which is a planet that could be even more habitable than the Earth, and this planet is 2 times the mass of Earth but only is like a bit bigger in diameter and could have red vegetation. At least that is what the artist impression says. So I went through Wikipedia articles, found planets that are very similar to Earth, and even made a chart of planets, and I found one planet that is very close, similar size, and is orbiting a star, and that planet is GJ1002b. The planet has a 10-day year, so might cause some confusion. But anyways, this planet has a very similar size and mass to the Earth, at around only 0.08 times massive than Earth. The star GJ1002 is a red dwarf, but also a quiet red dwarf, so basically it doesn't emit solar flares that could harm an atmosphere, and plus red dwarf take long time to die like I said earlier. GJ1002 is only 12 light-years away and is a single star system, so very much like our own. And bye.
Again, very classical, but not quite what we're after, really. That's the theme to Angry